Bhuvan is actually, technically, we can say it is ISRO's geoportal. So let's now discuss the next very important space research based application, that is called Bhuvan. So after Gagan, the next prominent issue is Bhuvan. These are all applications which are obviously they are dependent on various space based assets, but these applications they are being used in very diverse sectors of life. So Bhuvan is what appears to be a challenge to Google Earth and Wikimapia. So Space Application Center, SAC, a very important institution of ISRO, they have come up with Bhuvan, and overall it brings India's name into limelight yet again, because just like Navik or Gagan, this is also this 3D thematic imaging based search services. They are also very scarce. Very few countries in the world they have such facilities. So Bhuvan is overall developed by Space Application Center, developed by Space Application Center. It is ISRO's premier institutions. We have discussed in the initial classes. So this is developed by overall SAC, and Bhuvan, actually literal meaning of this word is literally means earth. Bhuvan means earth. So Bhuvan is a web-based tool. It is a web-based tool, just like Google Earth or Wikimapia, just like Google Earth and Wikimapia. But since it is India's own system, so it's similar to these applications, Google Earth and all, but Bhuvan promises much better three-dimensional satellite imagery of India. Satellite imagery of India. Okay. So, why to compromise on quality? The images provided by foreign applications like Google Earth, we have our own indigenous and a much better three-dimensional imagery you will get out of it. It also brings to us a host of India specific features such as weather information, and it goes up to the level of administrative boundaries of various states and districts, and even administrative boundaries of all states and districts. So this Bhuvan is actually, technically, we can say it is ISRO's geoportal. Okay, it is ISRO's geoportal, or we can say Bhuvan is providing visualization services. Visualization services. We will discuss applications later on, so you will be able to analyze that what actually are these visualization services and in what context they are being used. So it provides visualization services. It also provides to us Earth observation data. Bhuvan is providing us Earth observation data, and it is all available in public domain. You and me, every normal private citizen of this country, it is not limited to government agencies. Everyone, you can go to this Bhuvan portal and you can access the data. So visualization services and Earth observation data to users in public domain. Besides this, besides the portal also provides services, several users for their remote sensing application needs. So Bhuvan can also provide you various remote sensing application needs. So this Bhuvan, this program, it made a very modest beginning in around 2009 with simple display of satellite data and basic geographical information system functionality with many thematic maps on display. But over the years, it has grown horizontally in diverse areas of applications. Its vertical expansion in terms of number of images and map services, which includes very high resolution satellite data. So the growth in all these 12 years, it is phenomenal, and presently, you will be amazed to know, presently, more than 6,000 map-based services, 6,000 map-based services, they are being offered by Bhuvan, and are used for many applications. So 6,000 map-based services. So you can very well imagine what actually the growth of this whole geoportal is enormous. And this visualization services thing, the Earth observation data and remote sensing application needs. These are the key aspects that you should remember as far as applications are concerned. Okay. So now, if we discuss about Bhuvan's capability, okay, understanding what Bhuvan is capable of, so we should know this, that Bhuvan is equally capable of offering images of the globe also. It is capable of offering images of the globe, but the best resolution area is India. So it's not only that it's providing data for India. The reason being, Bhuvan is basically using remote sensing satellite data. The various remote sensing satellites which India has sent, Bhuvan is using that data. And we have discussed when we were doing the remote sensing process that these remote sensing satellites, they are placed in polar orbits. Polar orbits means it revolves poles to pole. Earth is revolving on its own axis. So these remote sensing satellites, they fetch global data, not only for Indian subcontinent region. The data is for the whole Earth. So obviously, if you have the data, global data, so Bhuvan can provide you the imaging services globally also, but the only shortcoming is that the best resolution is set for India. So pictures or the images, they won't be very accurate, but for some macro kind of application, Bhuvan can also be used to provide such services for other countries. So, this fact is important that Bhuvan is equally capable of offering images of the globe, but the best resolution area is India. At least for the time being, it is set for India. You never know, later on some more remote sensing satellites with some global footprints, and then Bhuvan can be equally productive for global data also. Now, Bhuvan is capable of providing an image from only 10 meters away. So, this image processing strength is also very good. The resolution, okay. So, in Indian subcontinent, resolving power of 10 meter, what does it mean? It means that in Indian subcontinent, even if a commuter moving on the road, it can also be easily spotted by this Bhuvan imaging services. Okay. And Bhuvan, as we discussed, it's only a service, geoportal service. So it needs data. So Bhuvan is using data from India's remote sensing satellites. The remote sensing satellite data is used by these services, particularly because we have discussed that India's remote sensing satellite program has also become very specific, very focused. So, in this remote sensing satellite chain of satellites, CARTO satellites, which are particularly they are useful for cartography, that is mapping. So, Bhuvan is using data from India's remote sensing satellites, particularly CARTOSATs. All these cartography based, these CARTOSATs, so their data is being used in Bhuvan. That's also one important information that you should remember. With administrative and this hydrologic base for the country, okay, what Bhuvan is actually giving us, the application part is the most important and the most probable question in this regard. So let's understand the application part. So the kind of administrative and hydrologic base which we are having, Bhuvan provides a strong foundation with around 1 meter resolution satellite data for more than 350 cities, and this is being updated for large areas of the country. So as far as applications are concerned, this is very important. So with administrative and hydrologic base for the country, Bhuvan provides strong foundation with 1 meter resolution satellite data for more than 350 cities. So this hydrologic data, it includes all the services, okay, all the services, the groundwater level, the water distribution network, everything. The all the pollution which is overall adding to the rivers and other water bodies in the city. Everything can be thematically imaged through Bhuvan. So it can be handy for a lot of applications. The transport network, for instance, the transport network from national highways to city roads. Okay, it is found that more than 8.5 million points of interest locations there. So it has been analyzed through this Bhuvan services that if we look at the national highway and city roads intersections, so there are 8.5 million points of interest locations that can be mapped by Bhuvan. That what actually, if there is a traffic congestion, particularly permanently in some areas, what is the reason, how it can be improved? All this planning and administrative management, it can be managed by Bhuvan. These are the opportunities, these are the possibilities. So you very well imagine what Bhuvan is capable of. So all these things, they are being analyzed. Bhuvan right now, Bhuvan has been able to accomplish a huge user base with millions of geospatial hits on daily basis. So that proves that a large number of people, they are using the services. So it is very user friendly. Millions of hits per day. So Bhuvan is today, definitely it is reckoned as the unique geographical information system platform of the country. It's reckoned as unique GIS platform for the country, which is freely accessible, which is freely accessible on the internet, freely accessible on the internet, and used by variety of user communities, which includes school children also. So the users, they are diverse, and from school children to very highly research based institutions, they all are using this Bhuvan data. That also makes this whole system very, very important.